Chicago State University has kicked the violence as U.S. court assumes jurisdiction, says Atiku satisfies all requirements according to Politics Economist report. The United States District Court for the Northern District of Illinois, Eastern Division, says it has jurisdiction in the case instituted by the People's Democratic Party presidential candidate Atiku Abubakar to compel Chicago State University (CSU) to produce critical documents relating to Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Tinubu, who is currently the president of Nigeria, contested the February 25th presidential election on the platform of the All Progressive Congress (APC). Atiku's application was spurred by an earlier case in Nigeria precisely on November 9, 2022, several months before the presidential elections, in which one Mr. Mike Anohora Eba, described as human rights defender and public interest litigator in Abuja, Nigeria, commenced proceedings against Mr. Tinubu by filing a direct criminal complaint in the Chief Magistrate Court of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. In his complaint, Mr. Mike alleged that Mr. Tinubu submitted an affidavit of personal particulars to INEC in June 2022 as part of a required filing to run for president that included a forged CSU diploma dated June 22, 1979, and other information that is inconsistent with the CSU document. According to court papers filed by Atiku in the U.S. court dated August 2, 2023, to support the allegations, Mr. Mike stated that after Mr. Tinubu made his INEC filing, Mr. Anohora Eba obtained a subpoena from the Circuit Court of Cook County dated August 11, 2022, and saved it on CSU. In response to the subpoena, CSU's registrar, Mr. Kale Westbeck, sent a letter dated September 2022 to Mr. Anohora Eba's Chicago counsel, Mr. Matthew J. Cowles, advising Mr. Cowles that the enclosed documentation is all the records we have for Bola Ahmed Tinubu. According to the complaint, the document that accompanied Mr. Westbeck's letter included a CSU diploma issued to Mr. Tinubu on June 27, 1979. The June 27 diploma allegedly produced by CSU to Mr. Cowles and the June 22nd diploma allegedly submitted by Mr. Tinubu to INEC are very different documents. In addition to the different dates, the documents have different seals, fonts, and language. The June 22nd diploma has grammatical errors that the June 27 diploma does not have. They are also signed by different persons who are ostensibly officials of CSU. The June 22nd diploma has 3 signatures, one of which purports to be the signature of Dr. Elnora Daniel as president of CSU. The other 2 signatures on the June 22nd diploma are illegible. By contrast, the June 27 diploma only has 2 signatures. They purport to be the signatures of Dr. Daniel, again as the president of CSU, Dr. Neva Lubin as the chairpersons of the Board of Trustees. You can compare. In his complaint, Mr. Anohora Mike asserts that the June 27 diploma produced by CSU to Mr. Cowles is authentic, and that the June 27 diploma submitted by Mr. Tinubu to INEC is a forgery. However, applicant staff have recently conducted further research into the names of CSU officials with legitimate signatures on the 2 diplomas. Dr. Daniel, whose signature appears on both the June 22nd and June 27 diplomas, and Dr. Lubin, whose signature appears only on the June 27 diploma. According to public records, Dr. Daniel and Dr. Lubin did not join CSU until the late 1990s, around 2 decades after CSU supposedly awarded the June 22nd diploma and or the June 27 diploma to Mr. Tinubu. Applicants' research therefore calls into questions the authenticity of both the June 22nd and the June 27th diplomas. In his complaint, Mr. Onohora Eba alleged the following additional discrepancies between the information provided by Mr. Tinubu to INEC and the document produced by CSU to Mr. Onohora Eba. According to document produced by CSU, the Bola Tinubu, who attended CSU, was a US citizen, while in the information provided to INEC, Mr. Tinubu states that he has always been solely a Nigerian citizen and has never acquired the citizenship of any other country. According to the document produced by CSU, the Bola Tinubu who attended CSU was born in 1954, while according to the information provided to INEC, Mr. Tinubu was born in 1952. According to the documents produced by CSU, the Bola Tinubu who applied to CSU admitted a prior transcript from Southwest College that identified Bola Tinubu as female. According to the document produced by CSU, the Bola Tinubu who attended CSU claimed that he or she has graduated from Government College, Lagos in 1970, while in the information provided to INEC, Mr. Tinubu makes no mention of having attended Government College. Pursuant to the above, Atiku, by and through his counsel, applied to the court for an order granting him leave to compel CSU to release and verify the authenticity of documents purportedly issued to Tinubu by the university. Going by available court papers, the court has established that it has jurisdiction over this matter in accordance with US laws, which authorizes any interested person to request that a United States District Court order the discovery of documents and testimony for use in foreign proceedings from persons that reside or are found within its district. The court said Atiku has satisfied all statutory requirements as he is an interested person and the respondent. CSU is a public university established and existing under the laws of Illinois with its principal campus and offices in Chicago. Having met all requirements, the court said it will not hesitate to grant the prayers of Atiku.